What's up, lads? I open packs, and today I've just got a premium collection tin. Yeah, I thought I'd have a go at it. Not too sure why, but yeah. Hopefully some decent pulls, but we'll get what we will. Obviously, firstly you've got the beginner's guide. Yeah. Don't really think that will come in handy for me, but yeah, and here's the thing we actually want, it's the pack of cards, so right, we'll open this. There we go, finally got there. Basically, first we got a Super Armored Beat, Super Quick Span Knight, Super Firewing Pegasus, Super Meteor Beat Dragon, Super Fiend's Mirror, Super Beastly Mirror Ritual, Super Meteor Dragon, Super Photon Current, a Secret Photon Wyvern, I think that is, a Secret Cage Kagamucha Knight, I think that's how I said it, and a Secret Photon Sanctuary, a Secret Mass Hero Diane. That's a nice looking card, it does look pretty nice. And obviously the two cards you do get, a number 34 Terabyte and a Elemental Hero, The Shining. So overall, not too bad. I don't think I've seen many people get that in their packs, neither with Fiend's Mirror, but I could be wrong, and maybe with a few other cards, but yeah, hopefully sell these on and I'll buy something else. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.